Hi.
Hey, what's up? Jake here from the Wildlife Ryder, and Cora is in the video actually this time, which is a rarity, and the Reed Man. So, finally close enough to time to start potting up, start planting our tomato seeds, and I'm going to do onions too, and we're going to do asparagus too. And I've already got some cups that I'm going to plant them in. Already pre-drilled holes in all the bottoms of them. Jeremiah on Roots and Refuge Farm taught us that. I saw that on his channel. He stacked them all together like that and just take your drill and drill down through a bunch of them at one time. Saves you a lot of time. Alright, let's fill them up.
Then just kind of settle it in. Don't compact it real much.
You tell them about the garden we're going to have?
We're gonna have a garden.
Is it going to be fun?
Yeah.
What do you want to grow?
Carrot.
Carrots?
We're going to grow some carrots.
I want to grow broccoli.
We're growing two kinds of broccoli.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I'll have to show you guys before this video ends. I made a birdhouse out of all that free scrap wood I've been getting. It's all free wood, so I want to make a ton of birdhouses and put them all over. I hung it up yesterday right outside the kitchen window, just hung it up just to see, took a zip tie and tied it to the tree just to see if something would mess with it. Yesterday we had a pair, a male and a female bluebird. I've seen them several times going in and out of there. This is the birdhouse that I made out of scrap wood. I was hoping that the bluebirds would take over and nest, but over the last week I saw a European starling, the bluebirds, and sparrows fighting over it. In the end, this sparrow took over. It's a small reminder of how hard it can be to control nature. Use your fingers. Pinch it. Drop in that hole very carefully. There you go. Okay, two per thing. Two in each hole, Ryder. So yeah, we finally got a chance to actually sit down and pot those up and get them going. I'm excited to have this garden. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a ton of work though, and we're gonna be super busy out here. But it's gonna be awesome.
No.
I'm excited. Race around the house. Go. House race. So Reed, what are your thoughts on the garden?
Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.